Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto tiramisu. We'll dive into the world of low-carb baking, showing you how to transform classic tiramisu into a sugar-free delight. You'll learn about the essential keto-friendly ingredients and the simple, step-by-step process to create this rich, creamy dessert. Get ready to enjoy a guilt-free treat that tastes incredibly authentic, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on this delicious journey. For our keto tiramisu, we'll use specific ingredients to keep it low-carb. Almond flour or coconut flour will replace traditional wheat flour in our ladyfingers, providing a great texture. Sweeteners like erythritol or monk fruit ensure zero net carbohydrates without sacrificing sweetness. Rich mascarpone cheese and heavy cream form the luxurious filling, while a strong, unsweetened espresso provides that authentic coffee kick. These choices make for a truly satisfying keto dessert. Before assembly, we need to prepare each component carefully. First, bake your keto ladyfingers until they are a beautiful, light golden brown. Next, whip the mascarpone cheese with your chosen keto sweetener and a touch of vanilla extract until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Remember to brew a strong cup of espresso or coffee and let it cool completely. This is crucial for dipping. Finally, have some sugar-free cocoa powder ready for dusting. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Quickly dip each keto ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, ensuring it's saturated but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these dipped ladyfingers in your chosen serving dish. Next, spread an even, generous layer of the mascarpone cream over them. Repeat these layers, finishing with a beautiful, thick top layer of cream. Finally, chill your tiramisu for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld and the dessert to set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.